Hello, my name is Dana Adams. I'm the Castro Valley High School teacher librarian, and I also help with the district library resources. So I'm going to show you how to access the public library just using your student ID today. We're going to go to For Families and down to School Libraries. We're on the Castro Valley Unified School District website right now. All right. This is a site that we've put some that I have put some resources on here for you. I started a virtual library when we started to shelter in place, and I'm adding resources for you as these companies offer free content. So this will probably grow, so keep an eye on it. I really want to focus on Sora right now because it connects us to the public library. We subscribe to it in the high schools, and so they've offered access to all of our students during the shutdown. So the directions are right here if you forget, but we're going to click on that. And we're going to choose Castro Valley Elementary and Middle School. Hopefully my dog won't start barking right now. And then you're going to just put your student ID in. Just your student ID. So exciting. All of the Harry Potter books are available. No wait. Um, they're just here and they're fantastic. Please, if you haven't checked them out or read them or listened to them, I listened to all of them. I really recommend them. And it's a perfect time to do that with your family. Okay, but what I want to show you is how to connect to the public library because it will give you more content. So we're going to go over to the hamburger menu. I call it a hamburger. It looks like a hamburger. And then we're going to add a public library. Okay, just look up Alameda. Okay, it's the first one. This is my library. Okay, showing most books from Alameda County Library. Got it. Whoops, got it. Okay, so you can definitely search by these genres. I'll show you. So if you go to juvenile fiction, you can see all of the juvenile fiction they offer. You can start to limit it. You can just look at audiobooks, ebooks, or just the genre. Okay. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just search for one of my favorite books. And it is Where the Mountain Meets the Moon. It's one of my absolute all-time favorites. And if you like The Wizard of Oz, and if you like Harry Potter, and you think that those two things should maybe get combined, you will love this. And if you like uh, folk tales, there's so many beautiful folk tales entwined in this story. So I'm going to borrow it. So when I borrow it, I have to sign in one more time. So there we go. And you are going to choose your section. So we just signed in with Castro Valley Elementary and Middle School, so make sure that you choose that one, okay? What's your library card? It's your student ID number. Your library card is your student ID number. You have to make sure that you choose Castro Valley Elementary and Middle Schools, okay? And we're signing in, and now I can read that book, all right? I'm gonna borrow it. You'll only have to sign in a second time once. You won't have to do that again. If you have any problems, go ahead and email me at Dana, D-A-N-A, Adams, A-D-A-M-S, at cv.k12.ca.us. You can email me and I will help you figure out any problems. Okay? So this is a beautiful book. But you know what? I've already read this book. So I am going to, I always have trouble getting out of this. Okay, close. I'm going to return it because I don't want to take it from you guys. So when you're done with a book, so it's due in 20 days. That's a long time if somebody wants to wait for it. If you are done with a book or you check it out by accident, make sure to return it because we're all trying to borrow and read books from this collection. Okay, so I love that book. I do recommend it. Okay, so you can go to your home, you can go to your shelf, you can make lists, holds, activity, see what you've read. There's my dog barking. Okay, so I'm going to head off of here now. Please enjoy. Remember to email me if you have any trouble. And we're all in this together. See you on the flip side.